Well above, unpacked, enhancing your English vocabulary. Hello, and welcome to today's lesson. If you're looking to expand your English vocabulary and sound like a native speaker, understanding common phrases is key. Today, we're going to delve into the phrase, well above. This phrase is simple, but it adds a punch to sentences when used correctly. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what well above means but also how to use it effectively in sentences. So let's get started. The phrase, well above, combines the word, well, which often means good or in a satisfactory way, with above, which indicates a higher position or level. When we say something is well above something else, we mean it is significantly higher or more than a certain level or standard. It's a way to emphasize just how much higher it is, not just slightly or marginally above. Now let's see how well above can be used in different contexts. 1. Academic performance. Her grades are well above the class average, reflecting her hard work and dedication. 2. Financial terms. The company's earnings are well above what analysts had predicted for this quarter. 3. Physical heights. The balloon floated well above the rooftops, drifting into the clear blue sky. In each of these sentences, well above adds a layer of emphasis to the comparison being made. Well above often collocates with certain nouns to provide a clear and powerful image of exceeding standards or expectations. Some of these collocations include well above average, well above expectations, well above sea level, well above the limit. Remember, using well above correctly can improve the clarity of your communication, especially when giving compliments, making comparisons, or analyzing results. When learning English, it's just as important to know what to avoid as it is to know what to use. Here are some common mistakes. Avoid redundancy. Saying, very well above, is redundant since, well, already serves the purpose of amplification. Don't confuse with above well. The order of words matters. Above well doesn't make sense in English. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of the phrase, well above. Now that you're familiar with it, try using well above in your own sentences to describe something that exceeds the normal or expected level. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Keep practicing, and you'll be well above the rest in no time. See you in the next video.